Hi guys, this is Nightingale, and in this video we are going to learn how we can combine multiple PDF documents into single one using Nitro PDF. So without wasting much time, let's start working. So you go to the search bar, then you search for Nitro PDF, click on it to open. After it's done loading, you can see home there. You click on home, then you click on create and combine document. You click on it. So here you will click on add files. You can also click on the drop down arrow. In case you have a folder that contains all your documents, you can click add folder to add that particular folder. Then after you click OK to merge. But in my case, I'm going to add the files one by one. So to do that, you click add files. Then I'll add the ls. Then I'll click add file again. I'll add letter. Add that one. So I want to combine these two documents. You can swap the location. You can make ls be the first page, or let's make letter be the first document. Anyhow you want to do it. Okay, so after that, then you can uncheck here if you don't want the document to open after creation. But in our case, we want the document to open after creation, so we will tick this box. After I click create, they'll ask you to save the document. I'm going to save it as code. After that, I'll click save. Now document is done with a saving. So you can see the first one is the letter and the second one is the ls. So we have been able to combine two documents into just a single one PDF document. Okay, now assuming when you go to home, you are not seeing this thing here, all you have to do is just click on new. It will open a new document for you, or a fresh page for you. Now the home tab, you will see combine, so you click on combine. Then you go through the same process. You add files, you select the kind of files you want to combine, click open, you click add file again, then you select the file you want to add. You can add as many as you want. You can add. So after that, you can also change the position or swap the position. After all these things, then you click create document. Okay, so that is it. So basically, this is a simple way to combine multiple PDF documents into single one using the Nitro Pro PDF. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for learning as well.